Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some exciting news about the iPad 11th generation, and it's shaping up to be one of the most anticipated updates in Apple's tablet lineup. With numerous leaks and rumors swirling, it's time to break down everything we know about this device. From design and display changes to processor upgrades, pricing speculation, and new accessories. Let's dive right in. Expected release date. When will the iPad 11 be available? Apple is known for its well-structured release schedule, and rumors strongly suggest that the iPad 11 will be announced in March or April 2025. This aligns with Apple's tradition of introducing entry-level iPads during spring launch events, similar to previous models like the iPad 10, which debuted in October 2022. If this speculation holds, it means an 18-month gap since the last generation. A reasonable time frame for Apple's budget-friendly tablet refresh cycle. Design: a familiar but polished look. If you're expecting a complete redesign, you might be disappointed. Leaks indicate that the iPad 11th Gen will maintain the 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display and flat-edged chassis of its predecessor. This means no home button. Apple removed it with the iPad 10, and it's not making a comeback. USB-C port, continuing the shift away from Lightning connectors. Full-screen display, keeping the modern, bezel-reduced design. While some fans may have hoped for an iPad Air-inspired look, it appears Apple is prioritizing internal performance upgrades over a radical external overhaul. Display: will Apple introduce Mini LED or OLED? Many users have been hoping for a Mini LED or OLED upgrade, but the iPad 11 is likely to stick with an LCD Liquid Retina display, offering 2360 by 1640 resolution. Crisp visuals for streaming, gaming, and reading. Bright and color-accurate performance. Perfect for casual users and students. More advanced display technologies like OLED and Promotion 120Hz refresh rate will likely remain exclusive to the iPad Pro lineup. Performance: a big boost with the A16 Bionic chip. The biggest improvement expected for the iPad 11 is its processor. Early leaks suggested it might get the A17 Pro, but recent reports indicate it will instead feature the A16 Bionic chip, which offers faster speeds than the A14 in the iPad 10. Enhanced graphics for gaming and creative apps. More power efficiency, leading to better battery life. Up to 6 GB of RAM. Improving multitasking capabilities. While not as powerful as Apple's M series chips, the A16 Bionic will still offer a noticeable performance jump, making the iPad 11 a more capable device for everyday tasks, light gaming, and productivity. iPad 11 price. Will Apple keep it affordable? One of the biggest questions surrounding the iPad 11 is pricing. The iPad 10 initially launched at $449 but later dropped to $349, making it more competitive against rivals like the Samsung Galaxy Tab A series and Amazon Fire Max tablets. Apple has two options. Keep the iPad 11 at $349 to remain an affordable entry-level option. Raise the price back to $449 if the A16 chip and 6 GB RAM significantly enhance performance. Accessory upgrades. Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil support. Apple is also expected to introduce an updated Magic Keyboard alongside the iPad 11, featuring a larger, more responsive trackpad, better ergonomics for comfortable typing, new shortcut keys for improved productivity. For Apple Pencil users, it's unclear whether Apple will add compatibility for the Apple Pencil 2, or continue using the first-gen model with USB-C charging. Either way, the iPad 11 remains a solid choice for students, note-takers, and digital artists. Software and iPadOS 17. Any exclusive features? The iPad 11 will launch with iPadOS 17, bringing the latest iPad software enhancements. While it likely won't have advanced multitasking features like Stage Manager, it should include AI-powered Siri improvements, refined widget customizations, better Apple Pencil integration for handwriting recognition, new education-focused tools for students. Apple continues to push the iPad's productivity potential, making it a strong competitor against entry-level Chromebooks and Windows-based tablets. Final thoughts. Is the iPad 11 worth the upgrade? So, should you upgrade? The iPad 11 isn't a revolutionary overhaul, but it's shaping up to be a solid upgrade for students, casual users, and budget-conscious Apple fans. What are your thoughts on the iPad 11th Gen? Are you planning to upgrade? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates here on Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next one.